Save some time trading with the TradingView platform integrated in the Fairdesk Exchange. Do you want to know how to use it? Then stay until the end of the video. Before we start, I want to remind you that there is a bonus up to $600 waiting for you if you sign up in the Fairdesk Exchange with my affiliate link in the description below. And if you do it, you will also be granted with a VIP1 account. You also have a KYC bonus of $2 and a trading bonus of $15. Okay, so here we click on the futures. Now we are here. And we see the chart that is similar to the one that you can find in TradingView or in any charting platform. In order to save some time, you don't need any fancy paid indicator because here you have everything you need to make a proper technical analysis and place the trade. Here at the top, you can see the pair you're looking at, in this case BTC USDT, and here the time frame of the chart, which will be a 4-hour chart for the purpose of this video. Right next to it, you have the type of candlesticks you need or you want to use in the chart. Here you can hear a fibonacci or, for example, the Japanese candlesticks. And right next to it, the indicators and scripts. You can see if we type here RSI and click on it, it appears below the price action chart, right here down below. And we click on settings if we want to change anything. We are going to change it into white for the purpose of this video. Okay, so we go out of here and let's start. In order to do a proper analysis, if you want to mark the support and resistance levels or draw trend lines or the Fibonacci levels, etc., you need to go down here and click in this small tab that appears at the left of the chart that says Show Drawings Toolbar. Click on it, and we have the same bar with the same elements that we can find in TradingView. So let's do the analysis. A basic analysis, but enough to start making trades. Remember that you don't need too many indicators or lines or drawings to be a profitable trader. Okay, so we click here on geometric shapes next to the brush. And then we click on rectangle. And here we click on the screen and extend the rectangle to the right or to the left, in this case to the right, to draw the support. And we adjust it to make it better. If you want to know how to properly trade support and resistance in a raging market, you can check the video that appears in the top right of the screen right now. For example, if you want to draw the resistance, right click, clone, and you can move it here and adjust it to the up and down to draw it properly. Okay, here we have our support and resistance levels drawn. What do you do if you want to draw a trend line? It's the same as in TradingView. You click here and then click on trend line. Then click on the screen, for example here at the top of this candle, and extend it to the right here, and we can see that there is a downside trend line. Okay, the same applies to the Fibonacci retracement levels. Click on Gann and Fibonacci tools here, and then click on Fib retracement. And then you can go from the top to bottom of the movement or vice versa. Here, if you want to change the settings, you click here, and for example, personally I want to trade only with the 0.61 and the 0.5 levels in order to make it clearer, the chart, to be more clear the chart. Okay, and that is the same for all the tools and indicators you need to follow your trading strategy. What I showed you in this video are the basic things I use to do the analysis, but there are much more, and you can find and use those that better fit your strategy and your edge. It doesn't matter if you trade with the MACD or the EMAs or the Bollinger Bands. You can find them all inside the platform the same way you do on TradingView. That way, you can place your trades quicker, which is something very important, especially if you do scalping with lower time frames. Here on the right side, you can place the trade at the same time as you do the analysis, so you can follow it more easily. But that's a topic for another video. With this, I don't need personally more things to know when to enter or exit a trade. Remember that you have a bonus with your name on it. It's a bonus up to $600, and your account will be upgraded automatically to VIP 1, but only if you sign up with my affiliate link in the description below and make a deposit of $100 or more. Stay tuned, click on the subscribe button, and see you on the next video.